What's up guys? So for today's video, we will discuss what is the best, Shopify or Etsy. Whether Shopify or Etsy is better for your specific needs depends on various factors, including your business goals, the type of products you sell, your budget, and your level of control and customization preferences. Here's a comparison of both platforms to help you make an informed decision. So let's talk about the Shopify. The first is we have full control. Shopify offers more control and customization options for your online store. You have the freedom to design your website, choose from a wide range of themes, and implement custom features or third-party apps to meet your unique needs. Then also we have branding. You can build and promote your brand effectively on Shopify, which is crucial for long-term business success. You have your own domain name, and your store's branding is entirely under your control. Then also we have product variety. Shopify is versatile and suitable for selling a wide range of products, from physical goods to digital products and services. It's especially well suited for businesses that want to scale and have their own unique online presence. Then also, we have payment processing. While Shopify offers its payment gateway or Shopify Payments, it also allows you to choose from many other payment processors, giving you flexibility in managing transactions. Then next is scalability. Shopify can scale with your business as it grows, making it suitable for small startups as well as large enterprises. Then we also have SEO. Shopify provides robust SEO tools and features to help improve your store's visibility in search engines. Then also we have marketing tools. Shopify offers various marketing tools and integrations to help you market your store effectively, including email marketing, social media integration, and SEO optimization. Then we'll now go to Etsy. The first is we have Night Marketplace. Etsy is a well-established and popular platform for handmade, vintage, and craft-related products. It's ideal if your products fall into these categories, as it has built-in audience of shoppers interested in such items. Then next we are also have built-in audience. Etsy's marketplace already attracts a substantial number of users searching for unique and artisanal products, potentially reducing the need for extensive marketing efforts to attract customers. Then also, we have ease of use. Etsy is relatively easy to set up and use, making it accessible for small businesses and for individuals who may not have extensive technical knowledge. Then also about the fees. Etsy charges transaction fees and listing fees for each product, but you don't have to pay for hosting or worry about building a website from scratch. Then about the less brand control. On Etsy, your store operates within the Etsy marketplace, so you have less control over branding and design compared to Shopify. Limited product types. Etsy is best suited for specific product types, primarily handmade, vintage, or craft products. If you sell a wide range of products outside these categories, Shopify may be a better choice. Also, competitive environment. Etsy can be highly competitive with many sellers offering similar products. Standing out may require unique and high quality offerings. In summary, Etsy or Shopify. Shopify and Etsy serve different purposes and caters to different types of businesses. If you want full control over your brand, extensive customizations, options, and a broader range of products, Shopify is likely a better choice. On the other hand, if you specialize in handmade, vintage, or craft products and prefer a platform with an existing customer base, Etsy might be a more suitable option. Some businesses even choose to use both platforms simultaneously to tap into different customer segments. So if you guys found this video was helpful, then please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching this video and we'll see you next time. Peace.